Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set nickname on Instagram DMs. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram is enhancing direct message with new features for a more personalized and expressive experience. User can now share live location, create nickname for friend in chat, and access a wider range of sticker. These updates aim to improve connection and coordinating among users. And in this video, I will show you to how to create nicknames, set nicknames on your message on Google. So how to do it? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to the DM section in here. You can choose on the chat that you want to change the nickname, your nickname with. I will choose this one. Now you can tap on the info on here. You can see there is an option nicknames. You can just tap on that. Create nicknames for you and your friends. Every chat can have different nicknames. Anyone in the chat can see nicknames, and people who you follow or give permission can edit your nickname. Now you can tap on OK. So here's yours. So here's your friend, and here's yours. You can change your own nickname. If you want to change your own nickname, you can just tap on yours. Here's, for example, me. Tap on done. Now I will change nickname for my friends. Now you can tap on done. So it will turns out like this. So your name on your on this DM, on this chat, your name will be appear as this me, and your friends nickname change to my friend. Let's see from the other POV, from the other account. The nickname will be turns out like this now. You can see it changed, right? You can also get notified when someone change your nickname, change the nickname of from the chat. The Instagram will notify you like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change nickname, how to set nickname on Instagram chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.